Horses have long been symbols of freedom, strength, and success. Through thousands of years of history, they have played an indispensable role in warfare, determining the victories of numerous dynasties. However, as society has developed, the role of horses has gradually shifted. Today, for profit-driven purposes, horses are often seen as money-making machines and are exploited relentlessly in entertainment and horse meat production industries. The rapid growth of horse meat farms has sparked a wave of opposition from animal protection organizations worldwide. However, the issue surrounding these horse farms remains a controversial and ongoing topic. For those who love horses and are concerned about animal welfare, now is the time to reflect on the historical role of horses and to protect the rights of this special animal. At a ranch in Mongolia, herds of horses roam freely across vast fields. To ensure their energy, they are fed a nutritious diet, mainly consisting of fresh grass or hay. Additionally, grains like oats and barley are supplemented, keeping the horses healthy and providing them with the necessary energy for activities. Horses also need extra minerals and vitamins to maintain health, especially when participating in high-intensity activities like racing or pulling carts. Beyond their traditional symbolism, horses today also serve tourism and sports industries, particularly in the beloved sport of horse racing in the United States. One attraction for tourists includes artistic performances with horses, creating an engaging experience for both local and international visitors. Horseback riding and horse-drawn carriage activities are also appealing options for those looking to explore local culture. While horses are cherished in many places, horse meat is very popular in countries like South Korea, Japan, and China, with horse meat processing plants operating to meet market demand. The slaughtering process is conducted humanely, ensuring hygiene and safety. After slaughter, horse meat is carefully packaged before reaching the market. At the horse meat factory, the processing is carried out meticulously at every stage. First, the workers carefully cut the meat, making sure not to affect the quality of each piece. Then, the meat is sorted and thoroughly inspected to remove any parts that don't meet standards. The workers continue to process and package each product following strict hygiene protocols to ensure the meat is always fresh and safe for consumers. Horse meat is also processed into products like sausages and fermented sausage due to its delicious flavor and high nutritional value, which makes it easy to preserve for a long time. Raw leather collected from horses goes through a careful cleaning and preservation process to maintain its quality. At the factory, the leather is soaked in water, dehaired, and lime-treated to thoroughly clean it and prepare it for the tanning stage. Tanning can be done using chrome or natural materials, making the leather both strong and soft, as well as flexible. After that, the leather is softened, dyed, and polished to create a natural shine while enhancing the durability of the surface. In the workshops, skilled artisans cut and sew the leather into quality products, such as handbags, shoes, or decorative items. Before packaging, all finished products undergo strict inspection to ensure they reach customers with high durability and luxurious beauty. While the horse meat processing industry is banned in some countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia, horse meat remains widely consumed in other countries. Horse meat products such as cold cuts, smoked meat, and even raw meat are popular in Japan. In the United States, horse ranch owners still hope that one day the ban will be lifted. Opposition to the horse meat industry reflects not only ethical and health concerns, but also a shift in perspective regarding the human-animal relationship. That's the end of today's video. What do you think about this topic? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to catch more exciting videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.